can you be effectively working when you cannot even treat government agencies with the same respect that you would expect yourself to be treated? Being senator of the country, of the land, does not make you above the law and does not give you license to just barge in with little knowledge about what the situation is. Worse, with little knowledge of the law. Barge in and berate government agencies. Worse, huwag mo naluoy atong driver. Ang driver atong bus. Ang employee that was manning, we'll go to the north, manning the CRs. Ingon ana siya mo treat og ordinaryo nga mga tao. Ako, mas mangaway pa tagali ko aning mga RDs. Kaysa ingon ana ang akong pagtratar ng mga empleyado lang itaw nga di gali makatubag sa eksakto kay itaw na ginabuhi ra na soldado ra na sila. You don't treat ordinary people like that, whether driver of a bus or a mere cashier who do not dictate policies anyway. So that just gives you an inkling of what the character of this senator is. Sure, he's very popular because he gets all of this media mileage. I'd rather not be popular, but I'd rather do it the right way. And I'd rather do it in a collaborative, coordinated, let's join hands together way, because not one single person can do it alone. Maybe to get media mileage. Oh, sige, you can do that. But do you think he'll be effective as chairman of the Committee on Transportation? When he has already, there is a Cebu, antagonized our agencies, including me.